Let's talk about how to improve your communication skills for selling. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. A lot of us, when we start sales, are a little hesitant. People think that customers might not understand what they're saying. Maybe they have a very thick accent. Maybe they're not too good at putting their words together. And it's hard for other clients to understand even. How would they buy from someone who they can't understand well? In today's video, I want to talk about how to take your communication skills to the next level so you can sell more than ever before. I used to not be very good at talking and stuff. If you want to see an example of this, watch any of my old unedited YouTube videos where I'm talking very quietly and maybe I'm not even making eye contact. I might be like leaning down like this and I'm saying the word a lot. So that's already unbelievably hard to watch, right? So how did I get from there to here? Well, let me tell you. And it goes for phone calls as well. I would act like that on the phone with customers and it wouldn't work. So I had to increase my communication skills in order to play at a higher level. So here is the 6-step process that I went through to improve my communication skills that you can run through as well. Number 1 is write a sales script. If you're working for a company, your boss might have a sales script for you, but otherwise we have a couple videos on this channel. Search Alex Berman cold call script or Alex Berman discovery questions on YouTube, and you can grab a few of those videos. And they all have free downloads. We'll actually link to a few of our downloads below where you can copy paste those scripts. And there's also free info on Google, or if you need it to be more structured, check out our course, Email 10K. We have sales scripts in there, and we show exactly how to do the back and forth and what to do to improve. Similar to what we're talking about in this video, but next level. So use that info, gather all that info, and write the perfect intro, questions to ask the client, and outro. Write it down on a piece of paper, word for word, exactly what you're going to be saying. Now, the second thing you want to do is practice that script out loud. Hold your script up and read it out loud to yourself in full at least 3 times. Then once you've done that, that brings you to the next step. Record yourself running the script. So take your phone, turn on your recording app. You can use the default voice memos, whatever, and record yourself running the sales script that you just wrote. Now it's very important that you pretend you're on a sales call here. If you screw up, you have to keep going. There's no restarting. There's no stopping and going over. Pretend you're on the phone with a customer and go through your script. Try to make it sound natural. Try to make it sound real. And this is all recorded. Do it one time. Then what you want to do is listen back and take notes. Actually go back and hear the entire recording in full. Get your notebook and take notes on what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. Pretend you're a sales coach and you're managing a new salesman, the new salesman being you. Try to separate yourself from the recording and give notes like you would give them to a third person. That's not you. Write down what you think can be improved. Number 5, repeat this exercise 3 times. Record yourself in full, listen back, take notes. Record yourself in full, listen back, take notes. Record yourself in full, listen back, take notes, etc. 3 times. And then number 6 is compare your third recording to your first. And you should see improvement from the third one to the first. If you actually go through this, follow this process, you will have improved considerably from that first reading that you did to the final one that you did. And that should give you confidence that the system works, and then keep running it over and over again. But after 4 or 5 times, you got to start getting on the phone with real customers. You'll know that you've improved to a plateau when you don't have any more feedback for yourself. But I would do it at least 3 times. And then when you're plateauing, the next step is to get on the phone with customers and run the script with them. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. If you want high-paying clients without spending money on paid ads, you might want to watch this. I'm Alex Berman, and I've been able to grow a services business by over $1 million in revenue and get to work with billion-dollar customers. For instance, you ever built a website for a restaurant? You might get $500. But if you build that same website for a financial services firm, they will pay you $50,000 for the exact same website. And that's what this presentation is all about. So click the link below, enter your details, and check out my presentation. It's already helped hundreds of business owners and even complete beginners. So again, make sure you click the link below and let me help you get started. If you need further training or if you want to book some meetings with those customers or start your business, hop into our course, Email 10K. It goes through it in detail. You can grab access to that below. Subscribe for more content like this. Like this video to encourage this type of content. YouTube loves it when you just smash that like button. It means a lot to the channel, it means a lot to helping this community grow. And leave a comment down below. What did you think of the content in this video? What was your biggest insight? Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.